Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with more special happy mail for my Christmas challenge giveaway. This special mail comes from my real dear, sweet, crafty friend and my crafty sister, BB from BB's Closet Creation. So BB, thank you, I got it. So we are going to open it up. Now, if you're new to her channel, she is an amazing crafter and journal maker, so you have to check it out. She has fun hauls. Her really adorable son, Paul, and her occasionally will do some crafting on camera or opening unboxings of Happy Mail, and it is such a joy to watch. So, BB, thank you, thank you. Let's see what she sent. Oh my gosh. Let me just take them all out. I see a letter. Oh my gosh, I love the wonton, or not wonton, what do you call it? These dumpling stickers, washi tape, that is so adorable. And it says Karamia. Now BB calls her subbies her monarchs. So I have a beautiful butterfly. She loves butterflies. Let's open it up and see what she wrote. Thank you. Oh, how pretty. Look at that card. Let me read this right here. Thank you so much, BB. Oh, I love you too, my dear friend. Oh, you are a joy to watch. So I really appreciate you taking time. I know she's been really busy lately with family. And I really, really appreciate that you have taken time. So there is no problem at all. So I'm just going to start. Where do we begin? Let's begin with the paper bag. Looks like she has shared some extras. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She knows that I collect children's books and I all love miniature ones. And look what she got me. Mother Goose Jolly Jingles. Oh, adorable. Definitely going to my miniature book. Oh my God, it's so fun. I love it, BB. This is so cute. I will try and link. Long time ago, she joined one of my giveaways where you were challenged to make miniature Happy Mail and miniature junk journals. I might do it again in the New Year's, but she made me the most adorable junk journal. Now, what is this? It looks like a little scene, and it's back to back. That's so adorable. That's so precious. I love that. And then we have tons of extras here. Little project life cards that can always come handy in our journaling. Oh, I love the doily. That's really pretty. I don't have these, and these are awesome. Fun receipts. She's also shared some embossed, oh my gosh, paper, and these are awesome to add to our junk journals. Is this wallpaper or you emboss this paper, I think? Really nice. And I love that this has two different colors, like it almost seems tea-dyed. Ah, this is awesome. We have the standard alphabet, and this is a writing little, oh, this is fun. I love it. And here is the backside. So we have two of a kind. That's really awesome. I think more than, yeah, we have two. We have three. Oh my gosh. Thank you for sharing that. We have the Word Yahtzee score sheet. Oh, this is such a fun bundle. And look at that. She knows I love birds, flowers, and butterflies. And I love adding envelopes to my journal, creating a flip, and then you can put your little entry inside. That is beautiful. And this year, oh my gosh, you guys are really amazing. It just so happens that this year our theme is snowman. So a lot of the little decor that we put up are Frosty the Snowman themed or some semblance of a snowman. And here it is. We got a little snowman with notepad, and I love this. This will go perfect in my December daily journal, which, by the way, I shared a little bit of the flip through in the hashtag December weekly open collaboration that's being hosted by Creating with Joey. That's super fun. And I love this, BB. I know you've shared some of this with me before, and I've used it up, so I'm excited to have more. Oh, wow. One of my favorite flowers, and my mom's as well, is magnolia. And this reminds me of the magnolia flowers. This is a beautiful border trim. That is just gorgeous. Look at the greens And I love the texture on that. She's also shared some ledgers. This is so much fun. I can't wait to use this in taller journals. So this is amazing, baby. Look at that. It says date, description, filed. I love it. Super awesome. Thank you so much for that. We will put this aside. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is a fabric snippet, I think, that she made. So let me take it out of the bag. Oh my gosh, guys. Hold on one second. All right, guys, are you ready for this? Oh my goodness. Look at that wax seal. There's a bird. There's a little charm that says play. I did see her fabric piece, a snippet on her channel. It was such a wonderful kind of process video. So if you want to learn how to make a fabric snippet, make sure to watch it. Look at this embroidered piece. Oh, this is so beautiful, baby, and it has all my favorite colors. So I love light pink, baby blue, the mints, and she knows me so well. Look at this. That is so pretty. And she's also sewn in some of these little micro beads. I don't know if you see that, but this is so precious. Oh my gosh, look at that blue applique. And a watering can with flowers. How amazing is that? We have this side. Oh my gosh. Now on the back, check this out. She's also used some really beautiful teal blue thread, which is my favorite color as well. So this is so amazing, baby. Thank you very much. I love it. I love it. Thank you. So amazing. She is so talented. I love her journals. And look at what else she's shared with me. This beautiful trim. And I love this. This one has a really nice firm feel to it. So it's perfect when you lay it down on paper. That is just gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much. And we have something wrapped in this beautiful fabric. I love the feel to that. Let us unravel this and show you what's inside. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, I love packages and you guys are the best, BB. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna definitely use this in my journals. What is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so beautiful. It's a blue heron. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm just kind of blown away that you found a miniature version of this book. Oh my gosh. This is just beautiful. I love it. So another thing that I collect are bird books, and I have now a complete collection. I have so many friends that have gifted me books also through the years, and some that I have found in our library sales, but I have not come across a miniature version of this. It is just amazing. So thank you very much. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, I love this. This is amazing. And I can put this by my desk. I just love it. So many fun images. Oh my gosh. Wow. Thank you so much, BB. This is just amazing. I love it. So guys, you know, check out her channel. It's BB's Closet Creations, and she makes amazing journals. She was part of creating Jovi's design team, and she's been showing some of the flip throughs of her junk journals. They might still be available, so please check out her Poshmark, which I'll link down below. But here again is a look at this amazing and oh my gosh, super gorgeous fabric snippet that BB has made for me. I love it. You guys are so inspiring and I'm so grateful. Again, BB, sending you big warm hugs. And oh my gosh, good luck. Thank you again for joining my giveaway. And again, guys, thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.